Success can come to you by courageous devotion to the task lying in front of you by C.V. Raman has inspired many great men in and out of the fields of science. Today, as I'm sure most of you all know, in our school, National Science Day is being celebrated. National Science Day is celebrated in India on February 28th each year to commemorate the Nobel Prize winning discovery of the Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman. The Government of India observed the first National Science Day on February 28, 1987. National Science Day plays a crucial role in promoting scientific temper and encouraging innovation and creativity among young minds. It also provides a platform for scientists, researchers, and students to come together and share their knowledge and ideas. The theme for National Science Day 2025 is empowering Indian youth for global leadership in science and innovation for Vikasit Bharat. The National Council for Science and Technology Communication helps scientific institutions in coordinating National Science Day. The event is celebrated all across the country in schools, colleges, universities, and scientific research institutions. This day is celebrated by organizing public speeches, science movies, science exhibitions, debates, quiz competitions, lectures, etc. And who here can forget the amazing science contributions of the ancient scientists like Rishi Sushruta, Rishi Kanada, Maharishi Charaka, and Varahamira. And even modern day contributions like the masterminds behind the Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan, and vaccines for the dreadful COVID. On this National Science Day, I and the young generation of today pledge to continue the legacies of great scientists like APJ Abdul Kalam, Sir C.V. Raman, Homi J. Bhabha, Srinivas Ramanujan, and never stop being inspired by our great scientific history. As we celebrate National Science Day in honor of Sir C.V. Raman, let us remember his words. The essence of science is independent thinking, hard work, and not equipment. We can carry forward this legacy by nurturing curiosity, embracing challenges, and contributing to the world through our knowledge and discoveries.